In this video, I will guide you on how to block National Bank debit card. First, open the National Bank mobile banking app on your phone. Now log in by entering your email address, then enter your password and tap on the sign in option. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section called My Cards. Here you will see all of your debit and credit cards linked to your account. Now, you have the option of lock account, so go ahead and select that lock option. Once you have locked your card, this is going to temporarily block your card, meaning no transaction can be made. You can unlock it later if you want to find your card. Another way is you simply want to contact the customer support. You can call the National Bank customer service directly to block your card. This is especially important if you suspect fraud, if you lost your card recently, or you want immediate assistance. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.